Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wear a low hip saree. First, put on your petticoat and blouse, ensuring they fit well. Take the plain end of your saree and tuck it securely into the petticoat, starting from your right hip. Wrap the saree once around your waist, making sure it sits comfortably low on your hips, typically about 2 to 3 inches below your navel. The bottom edge should just lightly touch the floor, creating an elegant and flowing drape. Now, let's create those beautiful pleats for the front. Gather about 6 to 7 pleats, aiming for a consistent width of around 5 inches each. It's important to ensure they are neat, crisp, and fall evenly for a polished look. Once you have formed your pleats, tuck them firmly into the center front of your petticoat. This crucial step ensures they stay perfectly in place throughout the day and create a smooth, flattering line. Next, we'll drape the pallu. Take the remaining fabric and bring it over your left shoulder. Adjust the length so it falls gracefully, usually reaching around your knees. Secure the pallu to your blouse with a safety pin for comfort and to keep it from slipping. You can choose to leave it open or create neat pleats for a more structured look, adding a touch of personal flair to your ensemble. For the final touches, take a moment to check the overall drape and adjust any unevenness. Make sure the saree feels comfortable and allows for easy movement throughout your day. Complement your look with suitable accessories and footwear that enhance the style. Remember, confidence is key to carrying off any style, especially a beautifully draped low hip saree, so wear it with pride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.